In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use anchors to link within pages in Confluence. Anchors let you create jump links inside a single page so readers can click once and land exactly where they need to be. They're perfect for long documents, FAQs, or handbooks where quick navigation matters. Start by opening your Confluence page and switching into edit mode. Once you're editing, scroll to the exact section you want people to jump to. This is where we'll place the anchor. With your cursor in that spot, type the / to open the command menu and start typing anchor. Choose the anchor option. You'll see a field labeled name. Give your anchor a simple, memorable name. Keep it lowercase, avoid spaces, and use hyphens or underscores if needed, like getting started or FAQ top. Anchor names are case sensitive and should be unique on the page, so pick something clear and consistent. Now head back to the top of the page or to any spot where you want the clickable link to live. Again, type the / and enter link, then choose link. In the link dialog, use the search or paste a link field. To point to your anchor on the same page, you can type a hash symbol followed by your anchor name, like #getting-started. If you prefer using the full page link, paste the page URL and add #getting-started to the end. Both approaches will take readers to the exact anchored section. In the display text field, you can enter a friendly label like jump to getting started. This is optional but highly recommended so your link reads naturally. Click Insert to place the link into your content. When you're done adding anchors and links, click Update to save the page so your changes go live. To confirm everything is working, click the link you just added. The page should smoothly jump to the anchored section you created earlier. If it doesn't, double check that the anchor name in your link matches the name you assigned, including capitalization and hyphens. A few quick tips as you refine your page. Use consistent naming for multiple anchors, especially in longer documents. Keep display text concise and descriptive so readers know what they'll see after clicking, and avoid duplicating anchor names on the same page. If you're collaborating, consider a short naming convention so teammates can add anchors without confusion. That's it. You've created an anchor, added a link to it, saved your page, and verified the jump works. This small touch makes your Confluence content feel polished and much easier to navigate.